We have a dog. Oh, babe.
My roommate is annoying. She wants to pay.
What is your favorite Christmas song?
Yeah, that's perfect. I love that idea.
Free chocolate.
Καλημέρα, oh my god. And officially 1η του Δεκέμβρη. Ξεκινούμε τα Vlogmas. Έχουμε μια exciting μέρα σήμερα, ναι, τσεχώ. Μόλις πλύνω τα δόντια μου. Σήμερα έχουμε μια γεμάτη μέρα. Πρέπει να κάνω μπάνιο, να ξαναλώσω τα μαγιά μου. Να σας πούμε την κατάσταση.
Roommate is awake. In her natural habitat.
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Is it?
Yes, it's 15 days.
I'm actually counting the seconds. Not you vlogging, you getting some food. This is the one I want to get because I've gotten before. With the trash hand. I'm tired. Good night. Oh my god, this is so good.
We're gonna go get ourselves
Christmas calendar.
an advent calendar. Yay!
Yeah, advent calendar.
A Christmas calendar. My roommate is annoying. She wants to pay €4 to buy these.
Way more for that.
But you're gonna live in like a week. No, I get cheap one. We don't need expensive one. But
It's like, no.
you are annoying roommate.
And also last time I got one with this, I got sick.
Mission unsuccessful. Το λοιπόν, το τα παιδιά πάρα πολλά cool ήρθαν all the way από την τεράσα από 7 ώρες μακριά από Μινίσκο για να γυρίσουν έναν κάπως σαν short scene μαζί μου και με τη φίλη μου την Τόνη για έναν exercise που έχω για το πανεπιστήμιο τους και ήταν πάρα πολλά cool, ήταν πάρα πολλά fun, πάρα πολλά kind.
It was cringy. It was good. I liked it.
Yeah, girl, pop off.
We also have the drink, that would be nice. Sorry, man.
No, come in.
This is so funny. We're literally like running around just trying to film.
What is your favorite Christmas song?
Oh. Last Christmas. No. Oh. It's beginning to look. No. I have so many.
No, Last Christmas, I think it's the best one.
yeah.
Like you can't compete
You know, like
with
back
that.
home, we have a challenge that, like, how long you can do without hearing
Last
Christmas. And it's like, how long can you, like, how long does it take before you hear it? And if you hear it on the radio,
There is no
or
way.
anybody
Every
plays it,
single. How did it feel? This is a rap. How did you feel?
It's a wrap. No, it was pretty cool actually. It was all about vibing.
It was.
vibing.
We vibed. Amen.
Super pollo.
Super pollo. Yeah. What's your favorite Christmas song?
It's really hard because I'm not that fond of Christmas.
That's fair, you know. But
I don't know.
can I ask why, or is that too personal?
No, it's like I don't know. It's just once you grow up, you know. Just,
What do you mean?
happens.
How old are you even?
I think I need to. Nah, I'm not gonna say how old I am. But I think once you have kids, I think the magic returns. I think you need to have little ones.
You have kids? No, you don't have kids.
No.
This way. You are a mother of 7 and 5. Wow, I bet. And you, how many do you have?
Send thumbs up. And then the t-shirt as well. Yeah, honestly, I want more.
Loki, I want to get 1,000 more of these.
What happened is that our king right now, I think he was like 1, 2, 3 years old, and the other princesses, they were like older. They were like 10 years old and 8 years old, and the queen, they fled to the United States because the queen, she was friends with Roosevelt, the American president.
Roosevelt.
Yeah.
I've never been asked to hold a dog before for someone to go to the bathroom. Hi, baby. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Okay. Let's be friends. Oh my goodness. Not me filming everything. He's so he's waiting for his daddy.
Mama, we have a dog. We have a dog now. What happened? We have a dog.
Oh, babe.
I thought we like have a dog.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Okay. When did we get a dog? We got a dog. You got dog. Wait, what happened?
His name is
Lila. My dog is named Lilo.
No, that's so cute.
Is that okay? Do I have your consent? Baby, you're so cute.
I didn't ask you. What's your favorite Christmas song?
Christmas song?
Yeah.
I think it's Mr. Christmas, Mr. Lawrence. Merry Christmas, Mr. Lawrence.
How does that go? I don't know it.
It's Japanese music.
Really? Can you sing it?
Merry Christmas, Mr. Lawrence.
But can you sing it? Like la la la, like sing the...
It's pure music. How do you say that?
It's only music, no singing.
Yes.
Oh, I'll Google it. Wow, that's so interesting. And why is it your favorite?
Because I listened to it for a lot of years, and I love the musician.
Oh, so it's like a childhood, like you grew up with it.
Yes, I think in Asia he's very famous. He's like
That's
the
so cute.
god of.
It's like our last Christmas.
yeah,
The
he's
last
like
Christmas
the father
for
of
you.
music, like that.
Free chocolate.
Adesso se lo dico in audio.
Free chocolate. Free music. Free lights. Επιτέλους στο κρεβάτι μου, αγκαλιά με το λάπτοπ μου, έτοιμη να κάνω edit. Κάπου σαν έκανα edit, έπια με αρφή μου η Μιτσά να μου δείξει το ξωτικό της που ήρθε. You know, her little elf on the shelf. Oh my god. Γεια σου Χρήστο, μένα θυμάσαι με Χρήστο. Ήταν καλή τα φρόνιμη Χρυσό φέτος, ο ξέρτες να παρατηρήσεις. Κόρη μου, μίλα. Τώρα ήρθε. Α, τώρα το...
Ήρθε μετά από το μεσημέρι.
Οκ.
Είμαστε Χρήστος ή το έσπασες εσύ.
Να του γράψεις κανένα γράμμα να ξακούεις, ελάλης. Σήμερα ήταν μια τέλεια μέρα, πέρασα πάρα πολύ όμορφα και δεν πειράζει αν δεν πρόλαβα να κάνω τα χριστουγεννιάτικα πράγματα που είχα να κάνω που είχα planned για να κάνω. Υπόσχομαι σε επόμενα vlogs θα υπάρχει πιο πολύ χριστουγεννιάτικο content, αλλά σήμερα ήταν μια busy μέρα και I enjoyed it so much και ελπίζω να σας άρεσε και εσάς ακόμα και αν δεν ήταν το πιο Christmassy vlog μας ever. See you tomorrow!